Oh my god, how blown out. But I'm here, look, this is the biggest shopping centre in the southern hemisphere, let me show. Okay, I am at the parking near Seed. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is nice. Oh, I am on the designer level. So Mel just called me. Let's see. Jimmy Choo Shoe, Dolce & Gabbana, Gucci, Chanel. So I'm meeting Mel at Chanel. So I didn't actually. Oh my god, there she is! She's sitting down. Can you guys see her? She's vlogging as well. We're both vlogging. Oh! Oh my god. How are you? I'm gonna turn around.
Was it too hard to find?
No, it's just a highway because I was in Turak.
Yeah.
And then I just jumped on the highway.
Yeah.
And it's just like straight up.
Okay.
Oh, so good.
It's so nice to finally meet you.
So nice to meet you. I just saw it go up. Oh
Yes,
my god,
yes.
I didn't look.
Yes.
So Mel just posted her unboxing of her Cartier purchase, and I didn't watch it on purpose because I wanted to see. I knew you got it.
Yeah.
I knew you got it. I knew. I was like, she got the diamonds for sure. So we are going to have.
We're going to Cartier too a bit later, so.
She now has an essay in Cartier.
Yeah.
Which I'm so excited about.
Yeah.
Well, like this is my shopping list. Because she goes, what do you want to do? Because Chadstone's so big.
As you guys can see, there's so many new luxury stores here. Like even that Gucci over there, that's the Tempo store.
I can't. What?
That's the Tempo. This is going to be the new Gucci here.
So they're going to move next door, or
They're
the
gonna
whole
move
thing?
next door.
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Yeah.
Okay. Happy birthday as well.
Oh, thank you so much. Not quite yet on Friday, but
On Friday? Are you excited? Do you have other things on your wish list or no?
well, this is the major one.
Yeah.
So, I'm so happy with this one.
Oh, and I love them together. Did you
Yeah.
tell the story in your unboxing of this?
Yeah,
from
but
your-
my mother-in-law, yeah, I did. So
She
it's
inherited.
really-
Let's get a nice shot. Let's get a nice shot. Oh, I just knew it. I was like, I actually said to Mum, I didn't watch her unboxing of Cartier, but I bet you she got the diamonds.
Yeah,
Because you loved it. It spoke to
I
you a lot
loved
more.
it. It did.
Yeah.
It did. I was like, everyone's gonna know because it's just so obvious, and then we just weren't sure what color I was gonna get. But it's so nice. The rose gold's nice. The gold's nice.
Yeah.
Everything.
But it's nice to go classic.
Yes, it's classic.
Okay, we are going to head into a few appointments. I'm going to show you around, hopefully, if we can film. If we can't.
LV we definitely can film. Cartier we definitely can film.
Chanel, you can never film though.
We will see how we go.
I just film because I'm really cheeky
Let's just try.
in Sydney. But we'll be back. Okay, we are in Gooch. Couldn't film in Chanel. I'm going to try and film a bit in Gucci. This is their pop-up store. And then they're going to move next door to a really big store. This is such a gorgeous store. And I'm just going to be looking at some Jordans, some of the loafers. It's gorgeous. And Mel's over there vlogging on her phone. We're going to get told off any second to stop vlogging. Okay. Look! Oh my god. That is unbelievable. One of my favourite blog posts from Tamara is with this GG, not in the Pearl, but she's walking in the street. It's like my favourite. I might throw it in here. It's my favourite ever. So beautiful. Okay, so I am trying on these. The lady's just getting my size for me, and these are the Rouge, even though they're really not coming up. This whole store's red. These are the Bruges Velvet Jordans, which is a full loafer. So I've got these in the mules, but I wanted to have a full loafer as well. This shop is so red, I can't even tell you. Sure, I'll give anything a go once.
If not, I could always get like the other ones with the stars and these. You could always try them on just for fun.
Yeah, do that.
Okay, alright, but I'll try those for the 8.5. No, excuse me, don't run away.
Oh.
I would like to update everybody. I'm having absolutely no luck. This lady is showing me the town here in CHADSTONE and everyone's saying, oh no, we don't have that.
Don't worry,
Sorry,
we're going to
out
have
of
more luck
stock.
later.
Are we?
Yep, we are. We are.
I was ready to purchase in Chanel. Ready to purchase brand new bag, JERUSHA, cashed up buyer. Fail. But I like these though. They would go so well with my look. They are brooches. They would go. There's a line.
Told you.
Oh my god.
No, this is usually all the way down there.
But why?
So that's why if we come early,
Oh yeah.
Otherwise, I'm not staying
You've
in.
done it right. You've done it right. She's done it. Should I try this on for fun?
Oh my gosh, do it.
Do you want to take my camera?
So now we were talking about this massive Marmont belt.
Vlog takeover. How the hell?
Let's have a look.
To wear this thing.
That is a big belt, isn't it?
Big ass GGs.
That is.
That's like the ruby colour in the brooch. I got it in silver, but that's it in the
I love that in the
reds.
brooch. I sold out really quick.
Really pretty in the brooch. I think that's gorgeous.
Comparison.
Wait, what
Do you want me to take it off?
Yeah, I don't know. Did you have any stock? I didn't want to just go up to your mannequin and rip it off. The blue on this girl. I will match my outfit. I better get my vlog takeover by Mel.
Doesn't she look gorgeous? Today, look, outfit.
This is my ladylike outfit to me.
How
now.
gorgeous. And the shoes.
shoes.
Look at her new Gucci shoes.
She really appreciates them, guys.
I love them.
I told her
Gold.
it's because it's the queen of Gucci shoes.
Love.
Like 17 pairs of shoes. I'm not kidding. Oh my gosh.
Love.
Do we love it?
I do. Do you know, because you can pin that to anything.
Look at this.
Look.
It looks like it. I have a confession.
It looks like it just goes with the whole thing. You know, you could pin that onto anything. As I said, you could.
I think you could. Stop. I have a confession to make.
Tell me. Confession.
Okay. I bought a Gucci shirt for this meetup with you. It is amazing. It was beautiful.
Why'd you wear it?
Well, I know, but because I'll tell you why.
Okay.
Because it was a huge, big black, like
Yeah.
with
Yeah.
everything. It was a gorgeous shirt, but it was, you know, I'm tall, I'm curvy,
Yeah.
I'm bigger, and it was just like it was really avant-garde. Like,
Yeah.
I feel like, and you couldn't remove it.
Okay.
So I couldn't like tuck up the sleeves
Yeah.
and undo it.
Did you keep it?
No, I returned it to Matches.
That's
But
okay.
Matches liked my post. Hi Matches. You go to their showings, don't you?
No. They don't really have showings. I like that.
But this could take over.
I like it.
Do you see what I'm saying?
Yeah,
I
yeah.
can keep the Gucci shirt, but this could take over and it's kind of my ensemble.
Yeah, it is. It matches perfectly. Oops, sorry.
Do you like it?
I do like it. Yeah.
I kind of blend in with the shop because it's so bloody red in here. I told Mel that she needs to start investing in Gucci ready-to-wear. Couldn't you just see this little pint-size mini? I can fit her in my pocket, by the way, if you want to know what sort of size she is from videos. She's absolutely tiny. She's in heels right now. Oh, you do have it. Congratulations. That's cute with because it's the
It's very
classic
classic.
webbing. It's probably a little bit too blingy.
It might be nice to contrast
I think I like the blue a bit better. Let me just yeah, I told her she absolutely needs. I told her that Princess Kate Middleton has this in the googly and she needs to invest in it. Okay, here's a brighter mirror to show you guys because this whole shop is red. I would like to update you on the fail that is this Gucci shop. Look at her. She's hiding because she knows it's a fail. She's like, oh, now Gucci's a fail. This beautiful brooch, which actually comes as a brooch, it comes. This, I think, this is the style of the singular brooch as well. Like it's round. It's not with all those.
No, it's not with all the droplets.
Dropping, no. And she goes, the sales associate is so nice here, but everything I'm asking for, she's like, I don't know if it's sold out. She goes, I don't know if you're gonna hate me for this, but this actually is attached to the like cravat shirt. You have to buy it all in one. Anything to say for that? So I don't even get my brooch with my beautiful. Look at this. This was a moment.
So bad.
You should. This was a moment. And the sad part was, is I admitted to you that I bought the cravat version of a big shirt, which was too over the top. But this is
that's nice.
And it's detachable. This is a moment, and I can't compete with Miss Ready to Wear Hermes here with her Kelly.
No, I've only got a little.
It's the cheapest thing in ready to wear. Yeah, it's still Hermes Ready to Wear. Thank you, bye bye. Now in LV, where hopefully, no, I'm just kidding. I don't even have a shopping list for here. Isn't that nice? But I'm just showing Mel. Shout out to Monique, my subby Monique.
Yes, she bought that.
She bought this and showed me at her meetup, and it does not fit a phone.
No, it's so good.
But this, have you seen the it's not pre-patinaed, but it's, see how that's not raw white?
Yeah, it is. It's not raw white. Yeah.
No, it's not raw white. It's beautiful, and it takes the worry away heaps. So for people that freak out so much about,
is it just on this bag or is it on some of the other bags?
Like most of the newer,
the newer, pre-patina ones,
like it's this new pre-patina thing they're doing. However, like it's chemically done by the house, but isn't it gorgeous?
I love that bag so much.
She goes, my husband goes, absolutely useless. She goes, it's fashion. I'm like, yes, honey. Oh my gosh. Welcome.
This is Nicole.
Hi, how are you?
Lovely
So nice to meet you too. Oh no, this is beautiful.
How cute are the macaroons? They've got little love hearts.
They got the
Yes.
loves. Let me turn Oh.
So is this a better welcome?
Oh, this is a beautiful. Stop! Seeing you is the best welcome. Seeing you and meeting you is. Let's do a cheers. Hang on. Cheers. Let's do a cheers.
Happen again.
She's so sweet.
Oh, she's
lovely.
No, I wanted the first name. I wanted to name my Shah.
Really?
Yeah. Shah got me a coffee because I just also needed a coffee. So we're gonna have our champagne. Let's get a macaroon. Let me get you getting. Look at these little macaroons.
I know.
They have little hearts on them.
I'm gonna get the love heart one.
Chocolate, salted caramel.
Oh, thank you so much, Shah.
Mel is hooked up, girl. She has hooked me up.
It was just honestly to me, all the spoken, like and then we've got some ready to wear context and food, and then the one that never met.
But in our Korean, in our world, we watch each other. Like it's when I met Minnie, I said it's like
It's the same one.
you meet what you see on the screen. Because I think, you know what? Odds and YouTubers can't be fake. Like people meet me like, you're exactly the same. I go, mate, we're so real and down to earth as a culture, as a country. We don't really fake how we are anyway. You know? Yeah, exactly the same.
Front row
Did you
sneaker.
try them on one time?
Yeah, white. My husband laughed his head off for about half an hour.
I've got. I want to show you the color.
Okay.
As well.
Oh, okay.
I believe. Yeah, this is.
Oh,
the
yeah.
color. That's color.
Yeah,
or
it's
this
very
color.
nudie.
See this, that as well.
Okay.
Syrah actually.
Oh my god! That is so gorgeous for her birthday. Show me. Show the vlog. Oh, that's just beautiful. I know she is. Happy birthday. Let's get them on the vlog. Oh. And the florist is getting a picture as well, which is lovely. We are having the best time in Louis Vuitton. I have tried on some sneakers. Things are working. Mel said that there was a kirigami in stock, which she thought was interesting because they're usually quite out of stock. I want you to narrate my vlog.
Here we go. This is the new, I don't even know what this is called.
That's a Victorine.
That's a Victorine, see?
Yeah.
What do you guys think of
Mel's
this?
narrating my vlog at this moment.
Peace.
Sticker. It's LV Story stickers.
LV store. There's a lot of stickers at the moment. But I told Mel and Shah that I liked this little bag
think that's
charm,
quite cute.
but I didn't know this situation was on the back. But that's okay.
If they had a peace thing, that would be cool.
I don't know if I'm a fan. Because I was never into World Tour when it came in straight away anyway. Not straight away. Are just saying our goodbye.
Oh, look, we're doing the same thing.
Hi Mel's vlog. We're just saying goodbye on our vlog to sales associates in Chadstone. Louis Vuitton are the juge.
With our pleasure.
They are the juge. They're amazing. Shah sales, Mel's sales associate Shah is the juge. She hooked us up. Look at her flowers again. How gorgeous.
Take a last one with this if you don't mind.
Yeah. We've had the best time. I just want to say to Jack that I belong in the sales associate squad with my cover, my folio.
You're part of us.
They've all got it. I'm part of the crew.
Jerusha, you can step right in any time, love. LV would be happy to have you.
Oh, yay!
Thank you for being such a loyal brand ambassador.
Oh my god, I love it. I'm picking up my goodie from Shah. However, I just said to her, what happened to the bag colour?
This is quite exclusive to Chadstone. A different color, a bit different colored paper bag.
Oh my god.
Coloured paper bag.
It's designed
So you can
to
see.
replica the cowhide leather.
Oh, I get it, like a vachette. I love that.
So Jerusha made a purchase. You'll see an unboxing coming up soon on your channel.
Thank you. Did you narrate that on my blog?
Look,
Thanks.
new bag.
Oh.
It is awesome. So
It is.
Stay
That's
tuned.
exclusive. That's beautiful.